How to send pictures as snaps on Snapchat. So hello viewers and welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in today's video I will be teaching you guys how to send pictures as snaps on Snapchat. So without delaying any further, let's get started. So first of all, go to the Snapchat application itself. Then here, click on the memories icon on the bottom right corner. Then here select the photo that you want to send. Then here simply click on send to now. But if you want to make it a video, then simply click on the drop down menu here. Then here simply click on the music icon. After that here simply select music that you like. Then here simply click on write or down on the bottom right corner. After that here simply click on send to and then send this snap to whoever that you want. So in this very simple way, you could fix your problem. So hope this video was helpful for you. Until the next video, bye bye and take care.